Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start cutting some of the slots on the top and the bottom, and we're going to go from left to right. Now the instructions say to make a series of marks at a 1/4 inch interval. That means a 1/4 inch of spacing in between. But we're going to do, and it doesn't say it here, but we're going to do them also a 1/2 inch deep into the cardboard. Start at the left side and cut 23 slits across the top and 24 across the bottom. So we can see from this image that we have 23 and then we have 24, one extra. And later we're going to make another little slit here on the side to pull up that extra string and strap it right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and start. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make that margin guideline. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1/2 inch. Or actually, you know what, since this cardboard is pretty thin, we're not going to do 1/2 inch, we're going to do 1/4. Okay, and another 1/4 up here. And just as a reminder, you know, where is that 1/4? So we have an inch right there, then we have a 1/2 inch, and then we have a 1/4, which is right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the same thing over here. A 1/4 and a 1/4. I'm going to go ahead and draw my line. Now this is just a guideline of how deep am I going to cut into these pieces. I'm going to do another one here. And now this will be my top and this will be my bottom. I'm going to start from my left side and work my way to the right, and I'm going to make 1/4 inch sides. I'm going to use this ruler since this one is a little too reflective from the light, and because I'm not cutting, it's okay to use the plastic one. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do, let's do this right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. There it is, 23. And down here, I'm going to go ahead and do 24. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and then you might say, well, what about 24? Why is it just right over here? I can't get that in. So I'm going to go ahead and just make a little slot right there. Make it like 1/8 of an inch right in there. So you can't really see it, right? But it's right there. It's just barely right there. So here are my my 1/4, 1/4, and then right over here I did 1/8. I did that extra 24th slot in there. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and cut these slots. Now, because there's such short distance, you can freehand it. You can also use your ruler if you'd like, but I'm going to go ahead and just press down and pull, press and pull, and that's how we're going to go ahead and do this right over here.